If you're Googling, will AI replace accountants? You're probably feeling this. The word's getting automated and you don't want to be the person AI makes optional. Here's the truth. AI replaces tasks, not accountability. I'm a US CPA who reviews books and fixes messy closes for a living. What you learn. What to let AI do versus what you keep. A simple review first workflow. How to document AI assisted entries. The 5 things reviewers still expect. Main teaching step by step. List your repetitive tasks. Coding, descriptions, draft recs. Use AI for drafts, then you validate. Lock-in rules. No posting to equity, no negative cash, etc. Build a habit. AI suggests, accountant approves. Client used AI to code owner draws as meals. Looked fine until equity didn't tie. Another time, AI matched deposits fast, but hid a duplicate Shopify payout. Reviewer notes. Red flags, unreconciled BS, wild flux, misc expenses growing, no support, AI said so. What to check? Reviewer insight. Bank, CC recs actually tie. Cutoff on revenue, COGS, equity activity makes sense, payroll liability is clear, big P&L swings explained, supporting docs, rec reports, schedules, invoices, receipts, memo for odd items, audit trail, checklist recap, reconcile cash CC, tie AR and AP to subledgers, review equity, scan, suspense, misc, flux talked in accounts, validate payroll liabilities, confirm loan balances, attach support to entries, write 1 to 2 line memos, get client answers in writing. Drop a comment with what task you want AI to take first. If this sounds like your close process, you're not alone. Like plus subscribe for more reviewer level walkthroughs.